The graph at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices, and at the time of this recording we are holding above a horizontal line of support above the 0.084 USDT mark. We have also continued to obey the ED12 structures, and at the time of this recording it is most likely that we have now completed a 5-wave structure to the upside from the lows we made on the 30th of September. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the scenarios that can play out in the next coming hours, giving you my next breakout target areas and Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding within. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1-hour chart, from the lows we made on the 30th of September, you can see that we first peaked in the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a slight pullback in the formation of that second wave, another impulsive bounce in the formation of this wave 3, and to just show you that wave 3 did the minimums, I will be connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of the second wave. And the fib ratios one is that is the fib level 1.618, which lies above the 0.0846 was fully maximized in a move that gave us a high above the 0.0862. And then after we picked in the formation of that wave 3, you can see that we started a bit of a slight pullback to the downside in the formation of that fourth wave, and the moment we got our low for that wave 4, we continued to push even higher in the formation of this wave 5, and now there's a very high chance that the high for this wave 5 is in, and all we need to see is a topping structure. And the first topping structure that we can try to identify is either a double top. Alternatively, we can also watch for the chart patterns over here, that is the candlestick patterns, and also the patterns that form as the price action continues to unfold, maybe the formation of lower highs and lower lows. The moment that plays out, that will be a clear indication that the top is in, and now we can expect a 3-wave corrective structure, maybe to support, to give us a retest of that support before we can continue pushing even higher. And that means that since the top is almost in the next coming hours, we can easily get a bit of a retracement, and the minimum target areas for that retracement can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 5. And on so doing, the area that I will be paying attention to is within the golden pocket, which lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 618, and that is between the 0.0836 and the 0.0823, which is that yellow target area. And within that yellow target area, I will expect the graph to find support and then start another reversal to the upper side in the next coming days. And the moment we get that 3-wave corrective structure to the downside, then I will expect another reversal to the upper side in a 5-wave structure that should easily give us a break above the highs we made yesterday, and then continue pushing even higher in a more aggressive move. And also remember that the moment we get this 5-wave structure followed by a 3-wave corrective structure to the downside that continues to hold within this key area of support, then that will be enough confirmation that here on the daily chart, we have now seen the formation of this larger wave 2, and we have a low in place for that larger wave 2, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of this wave 3, because in the formation of this wave 2, for us to confirm that the low is in, on the lower time frames, we need to see a 5-wave structure followed by a 3-wave corrective structure that continues to hold within support before we can continue pushing higher in the formation of these larger wave 3. So that means that we need to pay attention to what is happening on the lower time frames, because this is what is going to give us confirmation for us to get into more aggressive long positions, so that we can hold a swing long position expecting higher prices in the formation of these larger wave 3. So that is the price action that I expect here on the GRT chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.